Located in Udupi district, this idyllic destination sits just about 55 kilometers from the temple town of Udupi and 110 kilometers from the bustling port city of Mangalore. Marvanthe Beach is unlike any other. To its west, the Arabian Sea stretches endlessly, its shimmering waves meeting golden sands. Marvanthe enjoys a tropical climate, making it a year-round destination for travelers. Summers, from March to May, bring warm days tempered by sea breezes. The monsoon, between June and September, transforms the surroundings into a lush, vibrant green offering dramatic views of rain-washed shores and misty backwaters. Winters, from October to February, are delightfully mild, making them the perfect time for beachside relaxation or a long coastal drive. The cultural heartbeat of Marvanthe resonates through its people. Predominantly a fishing community, the locals here are deeply connected to the ocean. Their traditional boats dot the shoreline, and fresh catches find their way into local markets and onto plates. To the east, the tranquil Suparnika River snakes its way through lush green landscapes, eventually merging with the sea. This rare juxtaposition of sea and river, with the National Highway and H66 running parallel, is a sight to behold, an unforgettable confluence of nature and infrastructure. Nearby villages celebrate age-old rituals in temples dedicated to deities like Lord Shiva and Goddess Durga, adding a spiritual dimension to the coastal life. Historically, Marvanthe has been a crucial stop along Karnataka's coastal trade routes. The Suparnika River, named after the mythical bird Suparna, holds cultural significance and is said to have healing properties. This region's heritage is intertwined with stories of ancient travelers and seafarers, leaving traces of traditions that persist to this day. What truly sets Marvanthe apart is its dual waterfront charm. Imagine standing on the narrow stretch of land flanked by the sea on one side and a river on the other. As the sun dips into the horizon, its golden hues reflecting in both water bodies, you realize that Marvanthe is not just a place, it's an experience. Running right through this magical landscape is an H66. Formerly known as an H17. This highway is a lifeline for the Konkan coast, connecting the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. At Marvanthe, an H66 offers a driving experience unlike any other, with the turquoise sea and placid river creating an unforgettable visual symphony. Visitors to Marvanthe can indulge in a range of activities from snorkeling in the clear waters of the Arabian Sea to exploring the Suparnika River on a serene boat ride. Nearby, the Kalarum Makambika Temple and Kodi Beach make for excellent day trips. And don't forget to sample the region's delectable seafood, each dish bursting with the flavors of the coast. A harmonious blend of geography, culture, and serenity, it beckons travelers from all walks of life to experience its magic. So, the next time you find yourself on the coastal highway of an H66, let Marvanthe be a stop that lingers in your heart forever.